Colesy's Corner. I have beautiful Eden here today. Can you wave, Eden? Give a wave. And we are gonna make some berry craft. It's so exciting. We're gonna have a very good time. Alright, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a cutout of a love heart, maybe pink or red. I did a pink one, didn't I? And then you're going to need 2 big circles for the eyes, for one part of the eye. You're also going to need 2 black parts for the pupil of the eye. And you're also going to need some love hearts. And what do you think the love hearts are going to be for, Eden? What's this bit? It's the leaves of the strawberry, isn't it? High five. Oh my goodness, we're going to have so much fun. You're also going to need a little bit of a smile, a black smile like that, like a moon shape. Hey, it looks like a moon, doesn't it? That's so cool. You're also going to need a handy dandy glue stick, everybody. Okay, so let's begin. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so cute, don't you think? Yeah, yeah, yeah! We got it. All right, now we're gonna put this circle on the other part of the eye. So this is called the pupil of the eye, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Beautiful. Look at that so far, everyone. And Eden's been such a good help because you've been giving me high fives along the way. What do you think? Can you show everyone? Oh my goodness. Can you give a bit of a clap? Clap. Good job, Eden. You are beautiful. Do you think we should do that? Do you want to stick it? Up here, up here. For the stem, look. It's for the stem, for the leaves. That's it. Oh, you're such a good paster. Thank you. We just have to do a few more things. I need you to paste those little white love hearts on. Can you do that for me? And these are like the seeds, aren't they? These are like, see the seeds on the strawberry, everyone? Okay, so the love hearts are going to be like the seeds, don't you think, Eden? Yeah. After nearly finished, boys and girls, and then we'll show you the finished product. Do you like the little love hearts? Me too. I know that you like strawberries. We're going to make a little smile. And then we have to put this here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yay! Everyone, I hope you've had a good time on Colesy's Corner. I've loved seeing you and having fun with Eden. Can you wave to everyone? Bye! Thanks for watching.